Hello class. Today we're going to review our numbers. This is a 100s chart. And on this side, you see a 100s chart with some of the numbers already added. So what we're going to do today is we're going to write in some of the missing numbers. Okay, who can look at this line? Remember what we talked about in class. When you're doing the last row of the hundreds chart, we are counting by what? Who can tell me what we're counting by? Okay, right, we're counting by tens. So if you look at your 100 chart, this row should be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So this row, you're counting from 10 to 100. All right, I'm going to fill it in so we'll get the hang of what we're doing, okay? All right, here's what it should look like. Everything in this row should end in 0 because you're counting from 10 to 100. All right. Who can look at the top row and tell me when we start our 100 charts, we start with the number 1. So everything on this row should be 1 to what? Right, 1 to 10. So we're going to fill that in. All right. So here we are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Don't forget 10 over here. That starts out from 10 to 100. All right. Now, if you look at your number chart, it's a pattern. On this one, where 1 is, everything on this side is going to end in what number? Who can tell me what everything on this side is going to end in? Exactly. It's going to end in 1. So, if we look at this line, it's going to be everything ending in 1. So, I'm going to fill it in. Your number chart should look like this. So when you start your second row, when you end in 10, your next number should be 11. Just like we're counting. 10, 11. But look at the pattern because everything is going to end in 1. Okay. Now, another number that we talked about in class is counting by 5s. So if you look at the 5 right here, everything on this row is going to end in 5s. So I'm going to fill in everything on this row to show you that it's going to end in 5.
Let's go after all the titans, right? Who doesn't want to see a bully knocked off the pedestal?
No, we cannot discuss our future until we talk about how you just tried to trick me.
I would never do that. You were too smart for that.
Yeah, you're damn right I am.
Billy Harris is talented, okay? He's exactly what we're looking for.
I don't trust him. And to be honest, Billy, I don't really trust you.
Where is this coming from? I did nothing but conduct a job.
Do you really want to play games with me? Because I can show you how it's done. Trust me, you do not want to see how good I can be at going behind your back to get what I want.
Okay. Everything on this row ends in 5. All of your numbers here will end in 5. See, we have 5, we have 15, we have 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, and 95. So everything here ends in the number 5. So if you continue to look at your 10 frame, your hundreds chart, excuse me, everything on here is going to follow a pattern. So everything in this line will end in 2. Everything in this line will end in 3. Everything here ends in 4, and so on and so forth. So everything will end in the exact number that it's under. Okay. All right. Our question for today. Who can look at the hundreds chart and tell me what number should come here? What number comes before the number 19? Comment below and give me your answer. All right. Y'all have a good day.